Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you about the biomacromolecule proteins. Part 1. Proteins. Protein is the name which is derived from a Greek word which means holding first place. The term given by Berzelius and Mulder. Essential elements in protein are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Most of the proteins contains sulfur. In some proteins, iodine, iron and phosphorus are also present. After water, proteins are most abundant compounds in protoplasm. They occurs 7 to 14% amount. Proteins are polymers of amino acids. This statement given by Fischer and Hofmeister. There are approximately 300 amino acids known to exist, but only 20 types of amino acids are used in the formation of proteins. See the general formula of protein, which contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and R is the functional group. Proteins are heteropolymers of amino acids. Amino acids contain an amino group and carboxyl group on the same carbon, which means the carbon, so they are called alpha amino acids. Amino acids are substituted methanes. Proteins are heteropolymers of amino acid. Amino acids contain an amino group and carboxylic group on the same carbon, which means the carbon contains carboxylic group and amino group. Sometimes amino acids are substituted by methanes. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of several amino acids like glycine, alanine, serine. Here in all amino acids, the center carbon contains carboxylic group and amino group. Here the functional group only changed. In glycine, the functional group contains simple hydrogen. Alanine contains CH3 as functional group. Serine contains CH2OH as functional group. Amino acids is amphoteric compound because it contains one acidic carboxylic group and one alkaline amino group. At isoelectric point, amino acid is present in the form of deuterion. Isoelectric point, that point of pH at which amino acids do not move in electric field. The amino acid, when it contains both positive and negative ionic form, which means both acidic and alkaline form, is called deuterionic form. Out of 20 amino acids, 10 amino acids are synthesized in body of animals, so they are must in diet. These are called essential amino acids. Example: threonine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, arginine, histidine. Arginine and histidine are semi-essential. 10 amino acids are synthesized in animal body, so these are called non-essential amino acids. Example: glycine, alanine, serine, cysteine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, asparagine, glutamine, tyrosine, proline. Except glycine, each amino acid has two enantiomeric isomers. Most proteins have L amino acids, while D amino acids occur in peptidoglycan of bacterial cell wall and antibodies. Let's check the form of D amino acid and L amino acid. L amino acid form generally present in all organisms, but D-amino acid form generally seen in bacterial cell wall and antibodies. Amino acids are joined with each other with the help of peptide bonds in proteins. To form this peptide bond, peptidyl transferase enzyme plays an important role. Let's see how peptide bond is present. Here, two amino acids are linked by peptide bond by removing of water molecule from one amino acid hydrogen and another amino acid hydroxyl group both together and removes water molecule forms peptide bond. Classification of amino acids on the basis of number of carboxylic groups and amino groups. Under this, very first one, acidic amino acid. They have one amino group and two carboxylic groups in their structure. Example, glutamic acid and aspartic acid. See the formula of glutamic acid, which contains two carboxylic groups and one amino group. Acidic amino acids contains one amino group and two carboxylic groups in their structure. Second one, alkaline amino acids. They have two amino groups and one carboxylic group. Examples, histidine, arginine, lysine. Let's see in the formula. These alkaline amino acids contains two amino groups and one carboxylic groups in their structure. Third one, neutral amino acids. In this type, they have one amino group and one carboxylic group. They are present in the form of deuterion and show no movement in electric field. Example, remaining 15 amino acids.